Welcome to the Creative Channel Gilda workshop. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a brooch flower made from wire, crystals and seed beads. I previously made similar floral brooch with the same technique. If you haven't seen it yet, please check the link below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to not miss new videos. Let's start! Enjoy watching! I would like to know your opinion about this jewelry. Please write to me what kind of tutorial you would like to see on my channel, and I will try to make it for you in next time. Support my channel with your subscription and put your thumbs up. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!